Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying hardware and enabling virtualization. This matters because Android runs as a virtual machine. Once done, download a compatible Android environment. BlueStacks for simplicity, Android Studio for developers, or Prime OS for a near-native experience. While downloading, make sure your Windows or Mac OS user account has admin rights to install drivers and system services. You want the build that includes Google Play pre-installed or supports G-apps. Otherwise, plan to install Play services manually in the next steps. Now install the chosen package and accept any driver requests. This ensures proper virtualization and input support. Once installed, open the emulator and allocate resources. Set CPU cores and RAM based on your machine to balance performance and stability. Next, set display and input preferences, then open the Play Store app and sign into your Google account so Play Protect and syncing work correctly. If Play Store isn't present, install Google Play Services or Flash G apps, following the emulator's recommended method. This is why you picked a compatible build. Finish by updating the Play Store and Google Play Services to ensure app compatibility. Open Settings, check for system updates in the virtual device, and restart the emulator. Then install apps as you would on a phone and adjust permissions for camera, storage, and location. If an app fails to run, clear the Play Store cache or data, then reboot the emulator. If problems persist, export important data, uninstall the emulator, reinstall the latest build, and re-enable virtualization. This usually resolves driver or image corruption problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.